Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore one of the most widely used tools in technical analysis, Bollinger Bands. Developed by John Bollinger in the early 1980s, this tool helps traders and investors make sense of market volatility and identify potential price reversals. Let's dive into what they are, how they work, and how you can use them effectively. Bollinger Bands consist of three lines plotted on a price chart. 1. The middle band, a simple moving average, typically set to 20 periods. 2. The upper band, the middle band plus 2 standard deviations. 3. The lower band, the middle band minus 2 standard deviations. In simple terms, Bollinger Bands create a channel around the price movement. This channel expands and contracts based on volatility. When the market is volatile, the bands widen. When the market is stable or consolidating, they contract. Bollinger Bands are used for two primary purposes. 1. Measuring volatility. 2. Identifying potential buy and sell signals. Let's explore each. When prices move sharply up or down, volatility increases, and the bands expand. When price movement slows, volatility decreases, and the bands contract. This behavior helps traders identify periods of consolidation or imminent breakout. Bollinger Bands can help spot potential entry and exit points. But remember, they don't predict direction, they highlight extremes. Here are 2 key signals. This might suggest the asset is oversold, potentially a buying opportunity. This could mean the asset is overbought, possibly a selling opportunity, but don't use Bollinger Bands in isolation. Combine them with other indicators like RSI or MACD for better decision-making. Let's look at 2 common strategies. When the bands contract significantly, it often precedes a strong price move. This is called a squeeze, and it's a signal to watch for a breakout. Prices tend to return to the moving average after touching the upper or lower bands. This can be used to time entries and exits in ranging markets. No tool is perfect. Here are some limitations of Bollinger Bands. They lag because they're based on moving averages. They don't provide clear buy or sell signals, just guidance. During strong trends, prices can walk the band, staying near the upper or lower band for extended periods, so use them as a complement, not a standalone system. Bollinger Bands are used across asset classes, stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities. Many platforms like TradingView, MetaTrader, and others offer Bollinger Bands as a standard indicator. Experiment with different settings. Some traders use 10 or 50 period SMAs depending on their strategy and time frame. To sum up, Bollinger Bands help you visualize volatility. They can highlight overbought or oversold zones. Always use them with other tools for confirmation. Understanding Bollinger Bands can give you an edge in identifying price patterns, breakouts, and risk levels. If you found this video helpful, consider exploring our other tutorials on technical analysis. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.